Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the grammar book in that lesson 19 Adverbs. Let's get started. Read this story, answer the questions in one word. There was a puppet called Pinocchio. He badly wanted to be a real boy. The puppeteer Geppetto asked him to wait patiently, but Pinocchio started crying loudly. He said that he wanted to be a real boy immediately. A fairy was outside their house. She granted Pinocchio's wish and turned him into a real boy. How was Pinocchio crying? Loudly. When did Pinocchio want to be a real boy? Immediately. Where was the fairy? So, this is all the example of adverbs. Adverbs are the words that tells us more about verbs. So, in that adverbs, we have adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverbs of time. In adverb of manner, we usually add ly to the adjectives. Okay. Happily, softly, merely, all these things. Next, underline the adverbs in the sentence. The children played merrily in the garden. So this is a adverb of manner. So merrily. He jumped into the pool quickly. Quickly. I brush my teeth daily. Daily. Ly. Last ly. The mother cradled the child lovingly. The thieves entered the house quietly. The birds chirped noisily on the branches of the tree. Noisily. The robber hid the jewels carefully. Form adverbs by adding ly or illy to the adjectives in the box. Then complete the sentence using the adverbs formed. She smiled dash at everyone. She smiled. Sweet. We have to add ly. Sweetly. The snake crawled in through the window. Slowly. Slowly. Yesterday it rained dash. Yesterday it rained heavily. 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 The soldiers fought dash for their motherland. The soldiers fought bravely. Bravely. The phone rang dash. Loudly. loudly, or you can say repeatedly also. Both are correct. She patted the cat gently. Dash, he dropped the book from his hand. Suddenly. Suddenly. Suddenly, the seventh one. She decorated her house dash. She decorated her house beautifully. He shouted dash at the boy. He shouted loudly. The sun was shining brightly. Brightly in the sky. So this is called adverb of manner. So adverb of manner, it tells the adverbs tell us how something happened. Okay. Adverb of manner andre a situation ಹೇಗಾಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು adverb of manner. Okay. So in adverb of manner we add ly at the end of the word. Okay. Next, adverb of place. What is adverb of place? Adverb of place means it tells where it happened. Okay. Elli aitu, elli. When you ask question how, where, when, then you will get the answer. Okay. Choose the correct adverbs of manner to fill in the blanks. Many people treat animals dash quickly, badly. Badly. He ran dash but missed the bus. He ran fastly. He put the money in his pocket carefully. He looked dash at the old beggar. He looked kindly. The boy answered rudely. She studied dash before the examination. She studied sincerely. You should drive carefully. Pets should be looked after lovingly. The horse neighed dash in the stable. The horse neighed softly. You should speak politely. Understood? Next, adverb of time. Underline the adverb of time. Did you go to the market yesterday? So, yesterday is a adverb of time. I bought a pen today. When did he bought? Today. So, this is a adverb. Today is a adverb of time. We will finish playing the game soon. Soon. When you will finish the game? Very soon. I am going to Seema's house now. Jim will play for the school band today. Today. Can I play in the park tomorrow? Tomorrow. I had guests at home yesterday. Yesterday. I will go to the market later. Later. He will play the piano now. Now. Let us go for the picnic soon. Soon. Okay. Next. Fill in the blanks using adverbs of place from the box. Okay. The girls are going dash to their bedroom. Upstairs. So, when you read the sentence, you have to get the question where. Then it is the adverb of place. Understood? Look, dash, there is a shooting star. Look up. Trina couldn't find her bag anywhere. My mother is going out. It is raining outside. So it is raining where? Outside. Come, dash at once. Come here. Write whether the underlined words are adverbs of manner, place or time. Okay. The fish swam away quickly. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Ravi will come to my house soon. Adverb of time. Don't look up at the sun. Adverb of place. We will go out to play now. Adverb of place. The players cheered loudly on winning the match. Adverb of manner. He speaks politely to everyone. Adverb of manner. The dog ran fast. Adverb of manner. The driver is waiting outside for you. adverb of place. Place. Understood? So this is about the adverbs. Tomorrow we will see conjunction. Okay? Thank you.